the whole purpose of Trade Mastermind is just amazing.
Yeah, fantastic.
I think, well, it's life-changing for our clients.
Tell us, what's your first 2 weeks been like?
Intense, very paced, but I love it.
Hi, my name is Joseph Valente. I'm the CEO of the Trade Mastermind, and today I'm joined with Chloe. How's it going, Chloe?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Thank you very much for coming on this little session here.
Thank you for having me.
So Chloe's been with the business for how long now?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
And your job role here is?
Customer account manager.
Customer account manager. So tell us, what's your first 2 weeks been like?
Intense, very fast-paced, but I love it.
Okay, intense, fast-paced. You love it, yeah?
And I do, yeah.
Okay, amazing. What do you like about it?
The family that we have here, definitely. And I think the whole purpose of Trade Mastermind is just amazing.
Yeah, fantastic.
I think, well, it's life-changing for our clients. Definitely.
Great answer. Love that. Powerful answer. So how have you fitted in with the team? From the outside, as I said to you the other day, it looks like you've gelled really well with the guys.
I feel like I'm a part of the furniture now.
Yeah,
I feel like I've
fantastic.
slotted in really well.
Yeah.
Everyone's been so welcoming.
Yeah.
It feels like I've been here way longer than I have been.
Fantastic. And you like the business model, you like the product?
Yeah.
Yeah, and how have you found it being involved in the events and speaking to customers?
Really, really good. So obviously, I'm still sort of learning the ropes with a few things.
Yeah.
But I've had a lot of networking opportunities, and I'm sort of starting to build them client relationships now.
Great.
So yeah, hopefully.
And you made your first sale last week?
I did.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. Well done. Okay, cool. So what's been the highlight? I know it's only 2 weeks, but what's been your most favourite moment in the first 2 weeks of the role?
My favourite, probably my sale.
Okay,
probably
yeah,
my
your sale.
That
fantastic.
was a real ring the bell moment.
Yep.
Yeah, I was quite proud of myself then, definitely.
What advice would you give to somebody joining this business that's looking for a career with TM, as you're very, very early on in the journey?
For those that are thinking about doing it, do it. Full stop, just do it. There's so many opportunities that Trade Mastermind brings. There's so many doors that are opening, and it's just, overall, it's just an amazing company to be working for.
Amazing.
I love it.
Really pleased to hear it. I sat down with Chloe on our first day and I said to her, look, this business is forever changing, it's forever growing. So as long as you like change and you can keep up with the innovation and you know, changing the job that you do every day, and you're going to get on really well. Have you had variety in the role? You've done lots of different things?
Yeah, I have. Yeah. No day's the same.
Yeah.
I'm finding I'm doing new stuff all the time, taking on new responsibilities, and I love it.
Good. Excellent. Well, you've heard it from the lady herself. We'll catch back up with her in 12 months and see how she's got on. Thank you very much, Chloe. Appreciate you being here.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
And good luck. Thank you.